Discipline yourself to prayer. Discipline yourself to the systematic reading of Scripture from Genesis to Revelation over and over and over and over again. Discipline yourself in your speech. Discipline yourself in the company you keep. Discipline yourself in when you go to bed and when you rise up. This is a war. Discipline yourself. Young men, I can tell you this. Unless you are some exception, being born in the age that you have been born, if you're under 30, yea, even under 40, you probably lack discipline. Because you have never been able to work. You have never had need to work for your food, and your fathers never made you work so hard that your bones cried. The men who have accomplished much and used of God have been men of labor in the ministry. This is hard, and it will cost you everything. And by the time you're an old man, you will be broken, but strong in the things of God.